What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and first impressions of a new set of on-the-ear headphones, on-the-ear set of cans. Okay, I haven't done an on-the-ear headphones. I've been doing over-the-ear a lot, but not on-the-ear. This is from the folks over at Skullcandy, and this is the Skullcandy Riff wireless. But before I get into this, I just want to go ahead and give you a quick update on where this SteelSeries Arctis 3 Bluetooth gaming headset, wired gaming headset review video is. That's still coming. The thing is, I had a blackout when this thing was uploading, and it corrupted parts of the file when I was uploading it to YouTube, so I could not reuse that file. So I have to go ahead and do another reshoot of this review video. So yeah, it's unfortunate. So yeah, that's on me. And I mean, I had 2 blackouts in like 24 hours, so it was horrible. But yeah, this video is still coming. Maybe let's see what day is today. Maybe in a couple days from now, from when this video uploads. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing first impressions of this in the meantime. So let's go ahead and get this open. So I don't want to mess up the box too much. So I don't have nothing. Oh, I'll just use my keys. I have my keys today on me. My machete's over there, but I'll just use keys. Let's go ahead and cut that. There we go. That tape is cut. That tape is cut. I messed up the box. Darn it! I did not want to do that. Okay. So go ahead and get. Oh, there's more tape there. I can't unbox this thing. Okay. So I'm gonna open this from the bottom, I guess. There we go. The Skullcandy Riff wireless headset. Da 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 da. Wow. Okay, that's pretty much it. So you got the box, and it comes in plastic. I don't see any case or anything with it. Oh, it's got twisty ties. Are you kidding me? The twisty ties are in the front. I'm trying to pull it out from the back. Okay, there we go. I'll pull this out, and there it is. Okay, I got like this kind of the orange and black. It's kind of got that State of Decay color logo. You know how the State of Decay logo is, like an orange kind of logo. Wait, if I can get this plastic off. Okay, jump cut right here till we get this thing off. Alright folks, I'm back. I went ahead and got the main set of the plastic off. There's still some plastic here, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave that on for the sake of me not stressing out. I'm just trying to get this off. But okay, first off, first impressions, build quality, it's all plastic. Okay, that band, it's all plastic. Even the inner band, that's plastic. Okay, so be extremely careful how you treat this headset. The hinges, they're plastic, so I'm assuming there's like a small piece of metal in here somewhere, you know, connecting this together. But if you drop this is gonna break. This is plastic, so be careful. And again, there's that logo, the Skullcandy logo. Got that State of Decay color, logo color. And look at this. Look at these headphones. Okay, the pads themselves. Okay, these sit on the ear now. Okay, they don't go over your ear. They sit on the ear. These are heavenly. Okay, they're nice and soft and plush. Okay, they're really comfortable. Let me go ahead and put them on. Okay, that's the right. This is the right ear cup, and this is the left. And they swivel 180 degrees. 90 degrees, I should say. Now, I'm already seeing a little pet peeve of what I don't like. Okay. Oh, these are light. These are light. Ow! Ow! I pulled my hair. I pulled my hair. Okay, these are light. They really like they just float on your ears. Okay, you can't even really feel them squeezing. Now I guess with significant force these will come off, but as of right now they're not coming off. Okay, but the ear pads, they're nice, man. They're nice and soft. And look, this is how they sit on their ear, like that. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. The ear pads are a big plus for me, but everything else is plastic. Okay. So, but that's the build quality. Let me read off some specs real quick. I forgot to read off specs in the beginning. So it's got 12 hours of battery life, and it has rapid charge. It charges 10 minutes of charge will provide 2 hours of listening time, or 2 hours of battery. It has a tap twice to wake up assistant, built-in microphone, and that's pretty much it. It doesn't say what Bluetooth, either Bluetooth 4.1, 4.2, 5.0. It doesn't say. I'll go ahead and list it right here on the bottom, so you folks know. So let me go ahead. Oh, I forgot to show you folks what else comes in the box, and there's this right here. Let me see what's in here. So you got your micro USB charging cable. Okay, it's very standard. And you got your instructions and stuff. So that's pretty much this. Okay, let's go ahead and put that aside. So I'm gonna do a little quick jump cut. I'm gonna get this paired with my Moto Z3. Okay folks, I went ahead and got this paired. I got it paired to my Moto Z3, and it shows it has 80% battery. So after this video, I'm going to go ahead and charge it. Then I'm going to start the countdown to see how long the battery lasts. Now, I'm going to go ahead and play some music. Let's see how this is. I'm going to adjust the headset. Yeah, these are nice. When they fit on your head, you feel a little here, but it's not much. I mean, it's still very light. Okay, let's go ahead and play some sound. Wow. Whoa. It's got some bass, got some low end. The highs, I mean, the highs, they're nice, crystal clear. This song's got vocals as well. This song is a trip, man. Well, the headset. I'm impressed. I am. Wow. Holy smokes. Let's go ahead and try another song. Okay, let's see. Another song. Vexento. That's a good one. That's an old one. Classic. If I can find it. Let's go ahead and skip to the good part. Well, all right. This headset is remarkable. Okay, the mids. Okay, they're okay. They're like so-so. They're in the middle. They're just there. They're just average. But the highs, they're nice and clear, crystal clear. You're stretching it. But the bass, the low end, it's there. Skullcandy is known for that low end. Okay, and this definitely has it. And it's clear. It doesn't distort at high volume. Doesn't get tingy. Okay, it does not get tingy at high volume. Okay, but if the sound profile, it does sound. It leans more towards flat, I guess, which I like. I like a flat sound profile. That's just me. Some people like it a little sharp. You know, everyone's got different tastes. But that's what I'm hearing now, and like the joy of listening to headphones, everyone hears something different. Okay, you think it's sharp for you. Okay, you think it's flat. Who knows? Okay, but that's my opinion. Now I will be comparing this headset to my favorite on-the-ear Bluetooth headset right now. It's the Blue Ant Pump Soles. Okay, this is a gem right here. You can't find this anymore, this headset, for under, like, I think these sell for a ridiculously expensive price because they're really good. They sold, like, I bought this when it was like $40-50, something like that. I bought it when it was out, but they stopped making them. Okay, look at the quality of the ear cups. This is a sweat-proof design. Okay, and I'm looking at the Skullcandies. Okay, I'm assuming these are as well. Now I could be wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and ask Skullcandy, but I'm assuming you could use this for running, maybe working out. Like I said, it does stay on your head, but if you do a lot of bobbing and weaving, these might fall off your head. These won't fall off your head because they're stuck on they're stick in your ear. But yeah, I will be doing a more in-depth review comparing the sound quality and whatnot. Gonna break this in, try to get 20 hours of listening time into this. That way, puts up a fair fight against the Blue Ant Pump Solo, because these got over 100 hours already of listening time on them, so they're fairly broken in. Okay, and when you break headset or speakers in, they get better. Okay, usually they get better. But I can tell you right off the bat what feels better on my head, and that's the Skullcandy Riff, because of these awesome, soft, spongy, heavenly ear pads. Okay, don't get me wrong, Blue Ant Pump Soles isn't bad, but these ear cups, ear pads, they're stiff, but they're soft, but they're stiff. I don't know, it's kind of a contradiction right there. But they stay on your head, and they're very, very durable material. Okay, these ear pads. But yeah, I will be doing a review. 7 days probably ain't gonna cut it. Probably 10 days. I want to get at least 20 hours, like I said. Break this in for 20 hours. But yeah, that was my video. So if you folks like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell as well for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know down in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticisms. Guddang 775, aka Sully. Peace out.